Okay, so we've got this problem and they want us to write it as a product. So we have f of x is equal to 12x squared minus x minus 1. All right. So there's a couple of different ways we could go about this. If we wanted to, we could use the quadratic formula. But before we do that, I'm going to try and see if I can pick and figure out what the factors will be. All right. So there should be x. 1 will only factor as 1 and 1. All right. There's a minus here, which means that there's a plus and a minus. All right. But 12, let's see if we can find stuff that factors out of 12 and see if we can get it to where it'll work. So if we did 1 and 12, when we FOILed this, we would get 12x squared. Okay, that's good. Plus 12x minus x minus 1. This would be plus 11x. Alrighty, so that doesn't work. Alrighty, what if we did 12 and 1? We just flipped it. Alrighty, when we FOIL it out, we're going to get 12x squared minus 12x plus x minus 1. This would give me minus 11x on the inside. So that doesn't work either. What are some factors of 12? I could do 6 and 2. I could do 4 and 3. 4 and 3 kind of seems a little interesting. Let's try 3, 4. If I FOIL this out, I'm going to get 12x squared. First, outer, I'm going to get minus 3x. Inner is plus 4x. Last is minus 1. This will give me 12x plus x minus 1. Well, that's almost right. I'm just off by a sign right here. I'm going to try switching my 3 and 4 and see what I get. So 4 and 3. That's going to give me 12x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 1. And this is going to give me the minus x that I need in the middle. So this is how you would write it as a product. And that would be my final answer. If you can't factor it like this, if you've tried it and it doesn't work, then you have to use the quadratic formula, which says x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.